Welcome guys in this new lecture of digital logic circuit implementation using Multisim. In this lecture we are going to implement NAND gate logic circuit using 2x1 multiplexer. This is the truth table of NAND gate. NAND gate works opposite to that of AND gate. In NAND gate, if any input is logic 0, output is going to be high. If all inputs are 1 or logic high, then output will be 0. And we are going to implement it using 2x1 multiplexer. We have already learned that this is 2x1 multiplexer implemented to perform NAND gate logic operation. We are taking one input as select line. We have put second input as complemented of first input, and we have fixed first input to 1. Let me rename the select line so that we can map it for our understanding. The first input is always going to be 1 and second input is going to have a complemented output. So let me fix a NOT gate here. There it is. So this is our circuit now, which is going to behave as NAND gate. So if A is 0, first input is going to be selected and the first input is already fixed to 1. So no matter what is going to be B, 0 or 1, we are always going to get first input, and it means we are always going to get logic high. So when A is 0, output is going to be high. There it is. When A is 0, output is going to be high because first input is selected, which is already fixed to 1. No matter we are changing B to 0 or 1, it doesn't affect the output. Now if A is 1, when A is 1, then second input is selected, and second input is the complemented input. So here it is 0, but after complement it becomes 1, and so output is going to be high. But see here, both inputs are 1 1 and output is going to be 0. So this is how NAND gate works. This is the basic operation of NAND gate. And that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we'll see another logic gate implementation using 2x1 multiplexer.